Hey, so I'm here to show you a little bit about this assignment, the Encuesta del Medio Ambiente. I'm going to rename this one because I don't know why it was named that. So what you're going to do here is you're just going to take a little short survey here on letters A through K on your ability, or really what you do to protect or really not protect the environment. El medio ambiente, as we see here. Speaking of which, you are definitely going to need your unit 4 vocab. All underlined words are unit vocab terms. I'm actually just going to highlight that here real quick. And then here are the numbers. So respuestas, or answers, you put a 3 if you siempre, always do this. A 2 if you do it la mayoría del tiempo. If you remember, mayoría means majority of the time. 1 if you do it a veces, which means sometimes, and 0 if you do it nunca, which means never. And so you're going to do each letter. You have to understand them, right? So you have to take your time to check your vocab. Like recojo is part of our vocab, so double check. You'll find that it means to pick up. Basura, maybe you already remember, so you know it's like I pick up trash. Las calles is also in there, on the streets, the parks, school. Y la pongo en los basureros. And then even if you don't know la pongo, you can at least go, oh, trash cans. So then I throw it away. Do you always, or do you majority of the time, or do you sometimes or never pick up trash that you find outside, let's say, and then throw it in a trash can? So you just literally replace this with your number. I would say, I don't know, probably sometimes. So you're going to do that for each of these. And then at the bottom here, you are going to cuenta, count up all of your points. So once you've got each of these done, I'm just going to put in a few others to show some examples. I'm obviously not actually doing this right now, but I would count up 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2, and I just keep going down. And then you'll find out here, eres, you are muy responsable y proteges bien el medio ambiente. So you are very responsible and you protect really well the environment. I don't want to give away too many things on here. I want you to take your time to read through. And at the very bottom, you're going to just then respond to the questions. So en cuál categoría de cómo eres tú? So in which of these categories, right, the first, second, third, or fourth, were you, or are you? So to help you kind of understand, are you more responsible, a little responsible, etc. So let me know if you need help with some of these words in Spanish. Do not use online translators, as I always say, except for single words. But try your best just to say estoy, I am, or you can even rephrase these. Soy might be helpful here too. Like soy muy responsable means I am really responsible. Soy un poco responsable. I'm a little responsible. Hay mucho más que yo puedo hacer, that I can do. But however you want to try to word that is up to you. ¿Estás de acuerdo? So do you agree with los resultados, the results of the survey? Why or why not? Don't forget to do the why or why not, or you might get docked points. Here to help, estar de acuerdo means to agree. So if you want to say I agree, it's estoy de acuerdo. I'll even type it for you here in my example one. Or you could say no estoy de acuerdo if you are not, or if you do not agree with your resultados. Again, your actual results that you got. So maybe you feel like you protect the environment pretty well and you're pretty responsible as much as you can be, but you ended up getting this answer that there's way more you could do to protect the environment. Maybe you want to say, I don't agree because, porque, I don't know, I can't do much. There's not a whole lot I can do to help our environment as a singular person. Again, writing that in Spanish is going to be challenging. Just try your best. I'm not looking for perfect sentences whatsoever. I'm really just looking can I more or less understand what you said down here? That's all I'm looking for. And then, ¿qué más puedes hacer tú para ayudar al medio ambiente? So what more can you do to protect the environment? What I might add here also is the verb poder, which means to be able to. I really wish that some of us had that sooner, but poder, you can see it highlighted, is a really, really helpful verb for this. So yo puedo means I can, and I feel like you might want to use that throughout this. So puedo, I can. Then you can pull from here. Puedo recoger más basura. I could pick up more trash. Puedo reciclar cosas. I can recycle things. Whatever you feel makes sense for you. Let me know if you have any other questions. I hope that kind of makes some sense as to what you're doing for this assignment.